Hello, children. How are you? Children, when we go to the market, we buy many things to eat. Some of those are fruits. Fruits are very good for our health. They are filled with nutrients. We should eat fruits. Today, I will tell you the names of some fruits. So let's start our topic. Number 1. Orange. Number 2. Banana. Number 3. Cherry. Number 4. Strawberry. Number 5. Apple. Number 6. Grapes. Number 7. Watermelon. Number 8. Pomegranate. Number 9. Mango. Number 10. Kiwi fruit.